This practice of Yoga Nidra includes a visualization of a walk in nature. We will practice Yoga Nidra in Shavasana or any other supported position. Please lie on your back and take a moment to make yourself as comfortable as possible. Use any props you have available to support your body. As you settle in, bring your awareness to the spaces between your body and the earth beneath you. Invite your body to soften and rest. As you begin to surrender into relaxation, notice the spaces between your body and the earth beneath you becoming smaller and smaller. Just your body, relaxed, lying on the floor. Before we begin, bring into your mind's eye your sankalpa, your intention, your I am statement. For example, I am calm. I am tranquil and relaxed. Or I feel rested. Repeat it quietly and internally to yourself 3 times. We will continue with the rotation of awareness. All you have to do is allow your awareness to follow my voice as I guide you from point to point within your body. Move your awareness to your mouth. Become aware of your tongue, lower jaw, lower row of teeth, upper row of teeth, gums, upper lip, lower lip, space between your lips, both cheeks, right ear, left ear, forehead, both temples, top of the head, back of the head, tip of the nose, right nostril, left nostril, right eyelid, left eyelid, right eye, left eye, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, space between the eyebrows. Now go to the right hand thumb, the second finger, third finger, fourth finger, little finger. Palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right armpit, ribs, waist, hip, right thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. Go to the left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left armpit, ribs, waist, hip, left thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, left big toe, second big toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, groin, right buttock, left buttock, lower back, mid back, upper back. Right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, back of the neck, back of the head, right inner ear, left inner ear, roof of the mouth, throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right chest, left chest, middle chest, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, groin, whole spine, the whole head, right arm, left arm, both arms together, the whole right leg, the whole left leg, both legs together, whole front body, whole back body. Be aware of the whole body. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Follow the gentle tide of your breath without altering it. Envision your breath as a golden light flowing up and down your spine. With your inhale, the golden light flows from the tailbone to the crown of the head. And with your exhale, it flows from the crown of the head back down to the tailbone. A cosmic tide of prana. Stay with your breath as it flows up and down your spine, golden, vibrant, radiant. Now bring awareness to the sensation of light, seeing the sun come through your eyelids, almost seeing the shapes of the trees burnt into your eyelids. All at once, the sky is dark, your eyes adapting, nothing to see but stars, shining bright against the darkness of the sky. Imagine that you are standing outside in nature. You feel your bare feet on the earth. You're standing in an open meadow surrounded by a lush forest. You tip your face upward to feel the warmth of the sun. You smell the wildflowers in the air. In the distance, you see a path leading into the forest. You walk toward the path and step into the forest. Once inside the forest, your eyes adjust to the shade of the trees. The path continues in front of you and winds easily up the hillside. Sunlight shines through the trees. Birds sing in the distance. You continue on the path as it climbs steadily uphill. Near the top of the hill, you see a small opening in the side of the mountain. This opening is a cave. You feel drawn to the cave and walk toward it. Within the cave, you see a single lit candle. You realize you've stumbled into a sacred temple. You sit down up on the earth. A sense of calm washes over you as you feel at peace with all that is. You need nothing from the outside world. You gaze into the candle flame. You drop down into a deep meditation. In the middle of the flame, you see the purest golden seed, untouched by the flame. On the surface of the seed, you see your sankalpa, your intention inscribed. Gaze into the flame once again. The seed is no longer in the flame. The seed is now in your heart. Gently guide your awareness back to your physical body lying on the earth, becoming aware of your breath. Your body slowly breathing in and out. Without opening your eyes, becoming aware of your surroundings, the earth beneath you. As your awareness comes back, invite your breath to deepen. When you feel ready, stretch your arms long overhead, extend your legs long, point your toes, and take a full body stretch. Slowly roll over into the fetal position onto your right side. This is a posture that resembles a newborn child, a posture that symbolizes new beginnings. Take a moment here. When you're ready, gently press yourself up into a comfortable seat. Namaste. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. If you enjoyed this practice of Yoga Nidra, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment.